Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Noreen from Dariyarkam schools. How are you students? I hope you will be fine. Okay, I am also fine. Jazakumullah. Okay students, let's start work. This is your maths book. Do you have? Okay, very good. Take out this book from your bags. Okay students, and take out your pencils, erasers, sharpener also. All the students take a pencil and book. Okay, now let's start work. Look at board students. ये मेरा आपके साथ बच्चों चौथा लेक्चर है और हमारा टॉपिक है डायरेक्शंस। इस 4 लेक्चर में हम नए कंसेप्ट सीखेंगे डायरेक्शंस। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट मी। लेफ्ट, राइट, लेफ्ट, राइट। आर यू अंडरस्टैंड? डू विद मी। Okay, now students look at board. Today our topic is directions. 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 Left and right. Now in this page we learn 2 directions. Left, right. Left, right. Now understand? Now understand students? Left, right. Okay students, look at this pic. Listen to me carefully, and do you have pencil also? Draw a ball on the left of the bat. Right, left. So we draw a ball on the left side. So this is the left side of the bat. All the students make a ball like this. Hurry up. Done students? Very nice. Second box, color the right orange only. Color the right orange only. And the right direction is, yes, this. And this is the left. So we color in this orange. Hurry up students, take a colors, orange and green. So first make an outline around the orange. Now start to fill it. Okay student, do you like orange? Okay, very nice. All the students like it. आप सबको ये पसंद है? इसका टेस्ट कैसा होता है? मीठा? आप बताएं? खट्टा भी होता है। वेरी गुड, आपको तो पता है। इसका मतलब है आपको पसंद है ये फ्रूट। यस, नाउ वी कलर इन लीफ ग्रीन। फर्स्ट all the students draw a outline and now fill like this. Hurry up students, complete it with me. Done my dear students? Okay, number 3, follow the instructions. Left, right. Color the pencil on the left green. स्टूडेंट्स, लेफ्ट कौन सी है डायरेक्शन? दिस वन, लेफ्ट राइट, लेफ्ट राइट. So we color green color in this pencil. So let's start, students. And now students, in the next line, color the pencil on the right blue. This is the right direction, so we color it blue. Like this. In one direction you color it, so it looks beautiful. Okay. My dear students, done. Okay, my dear students, in this set, color the flower on the right red and color the flower on the left pink. This is the right direction and this is the left. So we color the flower red in the right direction, like this, students. Adili, complete with me. Do you color in it? Okay, okay. Very nice. Very beautiful. All the students do your work very well. So we have a pink color in the left direction in this flower. So we color it pink. Like this. Okay, my dear students, today we learned this page, directions, left, right, and we do different things in these sets. So we learned it, left and right direction. Okay, students. Okay, my dear students, turn the page number 14. Look at board, page number 14. In the previous page, you learned the two directions, left, right. All the students do with me, left, right. Okay, students. Now, today and in the next page, we learn also two directions, up, down, up, down, up, down. So we learned the four directions, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down. Okay, my dear students, look at board. Directions. Help Ali reach his home by following the given instructions, like this, left, right, up, down. Now all the students get ready for work. Do you have pencils? Okay, students, let's start. First, 4 steps right. 4 steps right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3 steps downwards. 3 steps downwards. Down, down. So let's start. like this. All the students make it. Are you enjoying this? Yes. Yes. Do you learn the directions? In this direction, we make a 3 steps, and this is the direction down. 3 steps downwards. So next 2 steps left. We have done 2 steps. Now the third step is 2 steps left. Left direction. Left direction. You draw a 2 steps. You go 2 steps left. Hurry up, students. Done, my dear students? Okay. And the next is 2 steps left. 2 steps left. 1, 2. 2 steps left. So all the students make a 2 steps left. Like this. Okay? Are you enjoying? Okay, this is a very interesting. So students, in the next five steps right, 3 steps downwards, 2 steps left, and 4 steps right. Okay students, now 5 steps right. Hurry up, make it now. मजा आ रहा है बच्चों आपको? अच्छा लग रहा है आपको? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। आप तो बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं। आपने तो कलर भी बहुत अच्छे किए थे पिछले वाले पेज पे। प्रीवियस पेज पे तो वर्क आपका बहुत अच्छा है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, we revise it now. Directions. Help Ali reach his home by following the given instructions. Left, right, up, down. Number 1, 4 steps right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3 steps downwards. 1, 2, 3. 2 steps left. 1, 2. This is the left direction. 3 steps downwards. 1, 2, 3. Now in the last step, 5 steps right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now Ali reach at home. Okay, my dear students, do you have done? Hurry up, complete it. Okay students. Okay my dear students, next page is 15. Hurry up, open it now. All the students, page number 15, open it. Done? Okay, look at board students. Now the topic is rows. What is the topic? Rows. Rows. Things are placed from left to right or right to left in rows. Okay students, they put things in the rows left to right or right to left. Things are placed from left to right or right to left. So let's start. In the first row, students count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now right to left we counted. 1, 2, yes, 3, 4, 5. In the next row we counted how many objects here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many objects? 13. Left to right. Now we counted right to left. So let's start, students, with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very nice. In the third row, we have also counted right, left to right, right to left. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very nice. Now right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने इसको याद रखना है। हमने कितने कितने काउंट किए हैं? How many objects in this row? 5. And how many in this row? 13. And now we count these objects. 7. Very nice. Now in the next row, 1. Left to right we counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, my dear students, we learned 8 left to right and right to left in objects in these rows. Now look at below. We completed this box. Fill in the blanks. Let's start. How many rows, students? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, students, first fill in the blank is there are dash books in row 4. Row 4 में कितनी books हैं? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So write down all the students. 6. Hurry up, my dear students. Done. Okay, in the next, there are dash erasers in row 1. In one row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the students write here 5. 5. Completed, students. Okay, my dear students, in the next, there are dash sharpeners in row 3. This is a 3. Row 3. Now we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7. Okay, my dear students, there are dash pens in row 2. In row 2, we count the pens. How many? 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So write here 13. All the students write here. And in the last fill in the blank, there are dash rows. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. Okay, my dear students, in this page you learn rows. Things are placed from left to right or right to left in rows and we counted all the rows left to right and right to left, and in the end we fill in the blanks. Okay students, done? All right. Okay my dear students, next page, page number 16. All the students look at board. Yes, very nice. Okay students, now the topic is columns. Topic is columns. पहले हमने क्या पढ़ा था? रोज. क्या पढ़ा था बेटा? रोज. अब हम पढ़ेंगे कॉलम्स. कॉलम्स हमने रोज के कैसे पढ़े थे? इस साइड पर ऐसे, लेफ्ट टू राइट, राइट टू लेफ्ट. नाउ कॉलम्स, टॉप टू बॉटम, bottom to top. Okay, columns. Columns, things are placed from top to bottom or bottom to top in columns. Now we count these objects in these columns, top to bottom, bottom to top. Ready? Okay. In this column, 1, 2, 3 objects here. Now bottom to top we count it 1, 2, 3. In the next column, top to bottom we count it. Count with me all the students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. And now bottom to top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. In the third column, top to bottom, we count these objects 1, 2, 3, 4, and bottom to top 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. In the next column, top to bottom, count with me all the students. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And in the last column, top to bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bottom to top. Now we counted the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay my dear students, look at below. We have to fill in the blanks. So now we completed. There are dash fairies in column 4. Now students, these circles you can see here, and we call it spheres. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. Done my dear students. In the next, there are dash cones in column 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. Done. Okay, next there are dash cubes in column 3. These are cubes 1, 2, 3, 4. Top to bottom, bottom to top. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. Hurry up students. Done. Okay my dear students, next is there are dash cylinders in column 2. Cylinders, top to bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bottom to top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5. Done my dears? Okay, in the next there are dash cuboids in column 5. In column 5 we have cuboids. So we count it top to bottom, bottom to top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now again bottom to top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write here 6 cuboids in column 5. Now in the next there are dash columns. How many columns, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. We write here 5. Hurry up, students, complete it. Do you have done your work? Okay, my dear students. Now we learn rows and columns. Rows, columns. So all the students try to revise these concepts at home and tell these concepts to your parents and friends also. Take care of yourselves. Fi amanillah.